Today we are at a site in Boksburg in South Africa in Gauteng province. It is a residential application of our ET50 hybrid inverter. So in this application there's actually two ET50 inverters. One is currently running as a full hybrid solution and the other one is running in purely on-grid mode with the option of expanding at a later stage and migrating to a full additional hybrid system. One of the key features of the ET50 is the ability to start as an on-grid inverter that will become 100% battery ready and then can be expanded to a full hybrid system by then adding an additional STS, the static transfer switch, as well as the battery system. And then both these inverters can be combined in a parallel solution to then provide 100 kilowatt in total as a combined load.